Right, so now we're going to put our valves and springs back together. Now, here's an exhaust valve, so I'm just going to show you what we're going to be doing when we put it together. So, imagine this is in the cylinder head. We put our valve spring on, we put our collet or our keepers on, then we pick up our little keepers, which you can see they're nice and fiddly. One underneath in this case. Remember what I said about not losing them, they're easy to lose. There's the other one on, and it sits inside and holds the valve like that. So there's our keepers down inside and our retainer. So the cylinder head's here and it goes up and down. So I'll pull it apart without trying to lose everything. I can't stop mentioning how small they are, and if you lose them, we're in trouble. So I'm going to assemble an exhaust one now. So we've put a bit of oil on the back of the valve. We're pushing it through our valve guide and through our valve stem seal. Our valve spring, our tight coils to the bottom. Our retainer, then on with our compression tool. Let's back that off a wee bit. Now if you have a look around here, nice and close, in there you can see we haven't got a lot of room to move with. So we have to, and if you've got big fingers like me, you're going to have trouble putting these in. So using the little magnet, we try and slip it in there. Oop, bear with me, I've got a little screwdriver here. You can put a bit of grease on these to hold them. Oop, we're not having much luck, team, bear with me. So they're very small, you can see I've put a little bit of grease in there. Hopefully that will hold it on there. These are extremely fiddly. There's one. I think it's in there, we'll let it go, see what happens. Nope, popped it out, there we go. This may happen to you quite a few times, but don't panic. Popped it out again. This time hopefully. Got it that time. So if you now have a close look up there, you can see that's pretty much where it should sit, nice and even and flat on the keepers, and that's our exhaust valve assembled. Now I'll go ahead and do the other three. Heads up, this is a very tiring, laborious job when you're doing it at school. You won't do it in 5 minutes, so don't panic when it's your turn.